Here's a fantasy for you. Imagine dropping out of the sky and riding a unicorn.
I'm coming for you!
No wonder Jan Zackel has a new nickname.
Everybody calls me the Unicorn Man right now.
At a skydiving festival in England, this instructor at Skydive Langer jumped out of a plane at 6,000 feet, dangling his bare feet, ready to hit the slip and slide that you can barely make out down there. Swooping, they call this.
Yeah, girl, I'm coming for you!
You have to have completed at least 200 jumps to compete in the unicorn riding contest.
Yeah!
Jan has around 2,400 jumps.
It's difficult because it's dangerous.
It took him 2 tries.
Hey, girl! Oh,
About 30 skydivers tried to mount the unicorn. Some came close, but what was a pain in the neck for the unicorn? Could be a pain in the crotch for the skydiver. I mean, it looks like you're coming in really fast.
Yeah, I think I'm doing like 60, 65 miles an hour.
We've seen a skydiver jump out of a plane riding a unicorn, but actually dropping in on one? The skydiver who does that is about as rare as a unicorn.
coming for you!
Genimos, CNN, New York.